Most men waste their lives chasing validation. They chase women, they chase approval, they chase comfort. But real men build. If you want to dominate in the gym, earn real money, attract high value women, and live like an alpha, listen closely, because this is the blueprint every man needs. The first pillar, the very bedrock upon which a high value man is built, is strength. Not just the brute force to lift heavy objects, but the profound, unyielding power that radiates from a well-honed physique. Your body is your foundation, the only true home you will ever own. It is the vessel that carries your ambition, the armor you wear into the daily battles of life. Neglect it, and you build your empire on sand. A weak man can never truly lead, because he can't even lead himself. If you cannot command your own body to push through discomfort, how can you expect to command the respect of others? Leadership begins with the conquest of self. This is why we embrace the iron. The gym is our forge. Every rep, every drop of sweat, every painful set is a deliberate act of self-creation. Proof that you're choosing to be extraordinary. The gym doesn't just build muscle, it forges discipline. It teaches you to show up when you don't feel like it, to push when your mind screams quit. This discipline is the master key that unlocks every other door. It is the language of kings, spoken not in words, but in action. When you look in the mirror, you see a weapon, finely honed and ready. A body that is the undeniable physical manifestation of a mind that does not quit. This is the first pillar. It is not a suggestion, it is a command. Strength is non-negotiable. The second pillar is money. But let's be clear, this isn't about a simple paycheck. We're talking about financial power. The kind of power that amplifies your voice in a world that's often deaf to words alone. In this world, money talks louder than excuses. It's the great equalizer. It doesn't care about your background, your struggles, or your dreams whispered into the void. It's a cold, hard metric that responds to one thing, and one thing only: decisive action. Money respects the man who moves with purpose. While others debate the risks, he seizes the opportunity. While others complain, he builds. Wealth comes to the man who invests, who creates, who architects his own future, while the lazy and the timid scroll their lives away, consuming the creations of better men. This is why we say, don't beg for freedom. Buy it. Buy your time back from a job you tolerate. Buy the ability to live life on your own terms. And don't just chase status, build it. True status isn't a lease car. It's the respect earned from building an empire. Brick by brick, it's the authority that comes from being a creator, not just a consumer. A man without financial power is a passenger in his own life, his destiny dictated by others. Money is the tool that turns your vision into reality. It is the language of influence in the modern world. To lead, to provide, to be a man of consequence, you must master this language. You must secure the bag. The third pillar is women, but here's the truth. You don't chase women, you attract them. High value women are drawn to men with ambition, with strength, with presence. Boys beg, men build. Women aren't impressed by empty words. They're impressed by results. Your purpose comes first, your grind comes first, your discipline comes first. When you live by that code, women can't ignore you. They follow power. They respect men who know who they are. And the fourth pillar, the one that ties it all together, is mindset. This isn't just positive thinking. It's your internal operating system, the invisible architecture supporting everything else. It's the fundamental difference between a man who finds temporary success and one who builds a lasting empire. It is the source code of your reality. You can have muscles, you can have money, you can have women, but without the mindset, you will lose it all. It's an iron law. History is filled with men who gained the world only to see it crumble because their internal foundation was weak. Your mind is the fortress. If it's not impenetrable, your external kingdom is destined to fall. The alpha mindset is simple. No excuses, no weakness, only results. This means radical ownership. The world doesn't care about your reasons. It only cares about what you produce. In every interaction, you must understand that you either lead or you get led. You dominate your environment or you get dominated by it. This isn't a suggestion. It's the physics of power. Life doesn't reward hesitation. Hesitation is the assassin of opportunity. While you weigh the odds, the man of action claims his victory. Life rewards the man who moves with purpose, who speaks with confidence, and who refuses to bow. He is the architect of his destiny, the master of his fate. He doesn't ask for permission. He creates his own reality. So here it is, the 4 pillars of an alpha male: strength, money, women and mindset. Master your body, secure your wealth, attract the right women and build an unbreakable mind. Discipline, power, wealth, respect. That is the code. That is the formula. Build your empire. Become the man others look up to. This is Domius, and this is how kings are made.